One of the fundamental factors in manufacturing plant is the design and optimization of manufacturing and test processes. However, for the optimization of the test processes, process engineers require to know it in and out, including the sequence of all technical operations, segments of test softwares, and its parameters. Therefore, it can only be changed by the help of the manufacturer. For this problem, Airmatic Ltd developed AirStudio, which is a development environment for process engineers, and which allows the user to provide manufacturer-specific function blocks to program test sequences without stopping the actual production. AirStudio does not require programming knowledge. Experience in test sequences and simple function blocks is enough. The right function block for the actual task is executed by the cooperation of the AirStudio programmer and the process engineer, followed up with the training in each relevant area about proper use of scripting language, in which the created and already existing use of function blocks make it possible to create a task-specific measurement software. For the introduction of new types of products, it is enough to copy the previously used sequences as well between the different test machines. For editing sequences, it is not required to use a licensed developer environment or external source. AirStudio would be enough. What's new in AirStudio? Test-oriented sequence editor with advanced debugger, real-time scripting engine with deterministic 1 millisecond cycle time, continuous data recording with advanced analysis tools, simple software and hardware configuration without programming, easy integration of new hardware thanks to the hardware abstraction layer, step-by-step run, slow-motion run, no hardware required, simulated run. Besides the AirStudio sequence editor, we can use the Airmatic control suite module, which contains advanced calibration module, calibration tracking, language module for the HMI and for displaying errors and employee messages, maintenance module, alert predictive analysis, blocking, email notifications, diagram module for subsequent display of continuous data recording and troubleshooting, user and login management module with privileges and card data. Logging measurement resolves to a local database and to cooperate governance system. Report measurement resolves from local database. Parameter module for editing the product parameters and vehicle parameters of the test equipment.